Good morning, dear students. Today we will do page number 70. In the previous live class, we have started the chapter adverb and we have done exercise A, B and some part of C. So today we will do the next part. Till third point we have done, and I will just write the second word for that underline word, but you will write the whole sentence. Fourth one is Zarul drinks milk every day of the week, means daily. So you will write Zarul drinks milk daily. Alice arrived at my house early, before the fixed time, early. Sheetal will go to the market after some time, later. Sheetal will go to the market later. Then exercise D, fill in the blanks with adverbs of time from the box. We have to choose the word from the box and then we will complete it. I will never forget my meeting with President Abdul Kalam. So here we will write never. Malini finished her homework and then went out to play. THEN then. Farooq had already left when I called. I think the bus will reach Daryaganj before 3 o'clock. The flight landed 30 minutes late. Mrs. Singh goes to the nearby Gurdwara daily. I sung a song at the school concert yesterday. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of the underlined adverbs. Choose the opposite from the box. Here we have to write the opposite words and the opposite words have given to us. So here once again I will repeating the exercise C. Fourth one is daily. Fifth one is early. Sixth one is later. Then D part is never, then, already. Before, late, daily, yesterday. The child shook his head sadly, happily. The plants are growing quickly, slowly. I heard a strange noise coming from the room below, above. Munmun picked up the bowl gently, roughly. So here we are writing the opposite words. Amar kept the books untidily on the shelf, tidily. My mother opened the door noisily, quietly. Vivek tied the knot of the sack loosely, tightly. If we leave now, we will not be able to reach in time. Later. Now, later. Cinderella sat by the fire and cried loudly, softly. The king ruled wisely for many years, foolishly. The doctor has gone upstairs to visit the patient downstairs. So here we have written the opposite words. Happily, slowly, above, roughly, tidily, quietly, tightly, later, softly, foolishly, downstairs. Make adverbs from these adjectives and write them on the blanks. Adjective have given to us and we have to make adverbs from that adjectives. For example, angry. Angry is a adjective. So angrily. अब ये क्या बन गया है? Adverb. Adjectives हमें दिए हुए हैं और हमें adverbs कैसे बनाएंगे? ly लगा के. Lose, loosely. Lucky, luckily. Dim, dimly. Greedy, greedily. Calm, calmly. Soft, softly. Quiet, quietly. Firm, firmly. Polite, politely. Coward, cowardly. Warm, warmly. Fierce, fiercely. Hard, hardly. Happy, happily. Careful, carefully. So these exercise we will do exercise C, D, E and F. So here we have complete our chapter adverb and next chapter is preposition. So today we will just take an introduction of preposition and exercise we will do tomorrow. prepositions and conjunctions. Two titles we will complete in this chapter. So first one is preposition. What is the meaning of position? Means जगह. क्या पोजीशन क्या है किसी भी चीज़ की वो बताना, दैट इज प्रीपोजिशन. Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. एक सेंटेंस में नाउन और प्रोनाउन के क्या रिलेशनशिप हैं दूसरे वर्ड के साथ, ये बताता है हमें प्रीपोजिशंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द किटन इज ऑन द चेयर. दैट ओन, द किटन इज द चेयर, सेंटेंस नहीं बना. द किटन इज ऑन द चेयर, कि जो किटन है वो कहाँ है, चेयर के ऊपर. द किटन इज अंडर द चेयर, किटन कहाँ है, चेयर के नीचे. सो दीज वर्ड मेक द फुल सेंटेंस. नाउ दीज आर टू वर्ड्स and there is a problem, which word we have to choose. This we will read. Among, between. Something is shared between two people and among several people, three or more. अगर आपको दो या मतलब दो लोगों में अगर हमें कोई चीज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, बिटवीन. अगर दो से ज़्यादा लोगों में हमें कोई चीज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, अमंग. So between we will use when we share the things within two person, and among we will use when we share the things within 3 to 4 persons. For example, I shared the cake among the whole class. अगर मैं पूरी क्लास की बात करूँ तो मैं क्या यूज़ करूँगी, among. I could see no difference between the twins. अगर हम दो लोगों की बात करेंगे तो क्या यूज़ करेंगे, between. So this is the difference between among and between. In, into. In shows position in one place. Into shows movement from one place to another. In क्या यूज़ करता है, एक जगह पे क्या पोजीशन है किसी की वो इन बताता है. और into क्या बताता है कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाना, दैट इज into. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टीचर इज इन द रूम. टीचर एक ही है जो रूम के अंदर है. द बॉय डाइव्ड इनटू द वाटर, रिवर. रिवर मीन्स कि वो डाइव करके वहीं तो नहीं रुकेगा ना, वो मूवमेंट दिखाएगा अपनी. सो वी यूज इन एंड इनटू देयर. सो डू दिस वर्क दैट आई हैव गिवन टू यू टुडे एंड लर्न देम ऑल्सो.